Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Ula, my laptop in. Is that the music you listen to? Bambuza u40 umbakisi bathi ingxenye yethebo uyimosheleni wathi
iphelele iyo iphelele hayi ndiselifanana
ayushishwa
ayabula
mina kwakuyiliyana nti lo uSatan ujump my fence. Yes. Amaqhinga wonka.
Mvimbeni nanga there was a shorter version when I chisike satani chisike alias ulamangu satani mnyateleo.
I think I know. I think the tone.
Familiar. Gospel la yakwazi yachinja because back then
Lala pa lalisa izusathana lapha. Lalisa izusathana.
Olokuza was also big here. Salif Keita. Maybe he didn't know how big he was.
Salif Keita.
Gospel, bro. I feel like gospel yakudala even chaya or cover or gospel siyachinja kathi sebechaya ngo-main actor too much. Yabona zakudala zikezichaya ngoSafira, zikezichaya ngoPeter, zikezichaya ngoJona lenhlanzi yakhe. Iyo song iyachaya uJona nabo Nhlanzi.
Nah,
iyo song zibondi you are my protector.
They're just focused.
Okay, if you realize, I don't know, it's an African thing. Most gospel songs, videos out. Same story.
Yeah, of course.
Same picture, like, but either base parky, kulesiata, kule but kita same style, even like guitaring and like same.
But just ngamakoti leza neza ngabo Sipho Makhabane labo Shongwe labo Nqandweni. Those guys made millions off one beat, bro.
Off one beat. Yabona problem ngegospel and yana genre phela that is also being gate kept by the religion. Okay. So there's not really much experimental shit you can do.
But I think when what's her name, when Rebecca and Vuyo Mokoena were doing the gospel, they brought a brand new vibe to it.
Yeah.
Like Vuyo Rebecca, they brought a new
vibe.
So we all lundi. Like they gave a new vibe to gospel for me. For me.
Go with tone bane. Engunceku engilungise.
Engunceku yethu Vuyo uchacho.
Jolo. Yeah, I can't remember Lena.
Yeah.
R.I.P.
Dog, then pass me that class. Then I
have
this one. Yeah. Brother, have that shit.
Ivy Combo.
Yeah, Ivy Combo, is she alive?
Yeah, she's alive.
Here's another thing, Doc, that I also wanted to, I just thought of now. We also used to have brands sponsoring TV shows because if you remember all about Coca-Cola on the beat.
I love boys, I'm kidding. Like they all there.
Even it Thursday movie night also Astra Paints.
Astra Paints.
Astra Paints.
Yeah.
But maybe people have just moved away from television. It's now mostly social media. But do we still have TV shows or like programs that are being paid for?
It's very rare.
And DPSL is brought to you by Betway.
But I know sports. I know in South Africa most brands that then support that support like a soapy, they get mentioned within the soapy. Like remember Capitec when they were being mentioned on on Generations.
Babefaka imali.
Yeah. They were launching a new product. So in Zim getting brands to be
Ku-adulting kuyabe kumele kusponsor ezomvusa.
Ungabathethisi this week.
I'm just saying they lack that creativity they lack that they don't give the creative.
But yeah, la is a TV la iloku joyela ama popcorn sometimes.
Manini.
Why babe broadcast umshado ka Wicknell. Silandi na ukuthi Wicknell yalobola.
Eboy bhatalile.
Ngapha ama license.
You never know.
Lina libukela channel le akubhadala license ku YouTube. Just watch the ads and watch us here for free and we tell you nice jokes. Don't be watching that propaganda BS.
Were they streaming it
on
live?
The other side.
But they were streaming it live.
Yeah, they were streaming it live.
Nah, bro.
But he is a person of interest.
BS,
I know. On a national broadcaster.
Nah.
If you bought airtime.
But if you bought the airtime, then it is what it is.
Egoli baze bayenza leni channel to ivuzu. Where things don't matter, get aired.
But you know the funny thing,
you can't be airing.
You know the funny thing, when we're moving to digitalization of our broadcasting, which is not fully digitalized fully now,
digitized, I think. You sound more sophisticated if you say digitized.
So what happened was there were 12 channels that were launched, right? ZBC was given 6, and private players were given 6 other channels, right? You would have thought, but then the laws of the contract, apparently only ZBC can get the portion of the amateur TV license. All the other private players, by court, they lost.
Really?
Why?
You were at
Yeah. Like it's only ZBC that can go to ZBC for his radio and TV. I don't know that get the portion. But then
they are most
but then the content.
ZBC is trash.
Because it doesn't pay our producers that amount of money.
Kulo boss wabo athi hayi ZBC kushile bamxotsha umsebenzi.
Which is true. Kuchile vele.
That was the funniest thing ever, bro. Remember then hayi ZBC kuchile. Waphuma kusasa ku newspaper to the brand is no longer affiliated with so and so.
Wasn't it ZTN?
But still, bro, that's like
it's ZTN. Yeah, it's ZTN. Is it Andy Rogers?
So ZTN is also a private player.
So ZTN is owned by Zim Papers. So here's the funny thing about this. Those 6 channels that were given out, the new ones, ZTN is one of them. It's owned by Zim Papers, which is wholly owned by government.
Okay.
And they call it private. And then, because those 6 channels are supposed to be given private players, we have NRTV. It's owned by... It's called Nkululeko... NRTV, it's called Nkululeko... It's owned by... It's called Nkululeko Rusununguko TV.
Okay.
It's owned by the army.
Okay.
The media department, the army.
Okay.
We have 3K. It's owned by the guys that own Daily News.
Okay.
And that guy is Zanu.
Okay.
Right? We have Sky's Metro.
Nah, we don't care about their political affiliations.
No. That is very important that you to understand what then happens. If for the political affiliations are important in this discussion. We have Sky's Metro, partly owned by Fair Talk at some point, but something like that, right? So am I two and someone
they've caught you, my man. In 4K.
But understand this now. Do you think when a ZTN can broadcast anything that's anti-Zanu or any of these stations, that broadcast the actual truth as is?
Not necessarily
because of their affiliation. They can't.
I think we're just off to a rocky start. Anyway.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying.
We're off to a rocky start.
So our content is going to be our content. When we find content that they deem not suitable for the audience, keep content. So that they always give you.
I thought our discussion wasn't even about. Affiliation.
We're literally just talking about brands.
And you were saying
TV.
It's not creative enough.
Yeah, that's
but when you've managed to
because
weaken your argument all the way back there.
I was telling you, they're not creative. I'm telling you the reasons behind that. The owners have an obligation to who. So the content that's going to be there will only have to be for this certain crowd.
Okay.
To push a certain narrative.
Yeah. But anyway, brands still need to put in the work. You can say BIO podcast brought to you by Cotton Lounge. Shout out to them.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Today I'm gonna have the burger.
Or today having them Grinaldo.
Today I'm changing my script.
Lingafika lapha ekhotweni lapha we on a mission to have the burger renamed to become the Grinaldo. So ngawuzafika uthi iburger la uthi can have the Grinaldo burger.
Yeah, baza confused. But here they not eat this one
The
until they
burger.
actually
The
correct.
burger.
Bese likhuluma umntu hayi sayizwa ngayo from umgcini.
Yeah, because it's called the cotton burger. So they need to remove the word cotton to
Grinaldo.
Ronaldo
Yeah.
burger.
Grinaldo burger.
Anyway,
Yes, sir.
shout out.
Shout out to
Yeah.
them. So
Shout-
anyway,
shout out to you guys watching.
this is now episode 165.
Yeah, 165
Wefunwenzi.
intro.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast, aka Umsangano and shit. We're actually on an episode 165, and
165.
this number actually hit me today, Guti. That's 165 weeks of consistent, reliable infotainment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of podcasts that have started and dropped. I don't know how many people have locally have even made it past maybe episode 100.
Yeah. Maningi unama podcast enkundleni yama podcast.
I started the broadcast in 2019.
How?
Yeah. It stopped because I don't know why. Because people were being paid to come and be part of the podcast. I was paying people because I was never there most of the time.
Kana ngati labo
So I
usibhatali.
was paying people to do the
Why ngati
podcast.
usibhatali la?
When Steve
And then-
Kekan.
I don't know
Umfana
what happened.
nosemxotha lo. No.
I don't know what happened. They stopped coming and I figured, well, it saves me money anyway.
Asimeni ukubuya la thina manje.
Yeah.
Maybe
But yeah.
ubut 40. Uza kwakuthiwa kuni title podcast yakho?
Peas in the pod.
Peas in a pod.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
that was
nice.
actually
That's a dope
clever,
name,
eh?
though, yeah.
That was actually
And we
clever.
were talking about anything and everything. I remember there's a day,
So call this episode Peas in the Pot.
there was a time we were talking about vaginal cleaning.
Pay vaginal but nyakuso.
Whatever. Vaginal cleaning, whatever.
Lalikhuluma vaginal cleaning.
Yeah, there were ladies who were there, there were guys who were there, people were just
Iklinwa
talking.
njani? Kuyafakwa amahoover kwenziwani?
Yo.
Yeah, vacuum.
You know what an expert said? But let it be.
Even ganiva
It cleans
lokhu.
itself. It
Eh.
cleans itself. Don't touch, don't put anything there.
Kule
That
nyimi.
thing is self-cleaning.
Kulenye imimi
Cactus Jack.
Zana kulenye imimi engayizwa omnye umuntu esithi into leyo kuthiwa you eat it fresh out the shower ayikho iswile abantu ebengakamarinate ebengakabi le natural tang
Kumele be dry aged steak.
ibingani ithi
So what is self-cleaning? How is designed self-cleaning? It's when you start putting what?
yikuthi indaba self cleaning le yahlupha because then sizathi lo mlomo self cleaning.
So here's what happened. Is also another thing that makes things difficult there apparently is what you eat.
Yeah.
And what you take in.
Because you
That
have
makes-
manisa pH down there. What you take in this side and that side. Yes.
So garbage in, garbage out.
Yeah,
Cabbage in, cabbage.
whatever you take in or put in.
Yikuthi kunzima ukuthi sikudiscusse lo singelabo sisi namuhla.
Sisilanunga.
Hayi lona usehambile. Ku difficult ukuthi sidiscuss
Yeah,
laba singabe
yeah.
besitshele ngoba thina siyaziphi brand thina Ralph.
Vagigard.
Lobola. This guy was saying Lobola should be abolished. That was something.
Uyavuthatha mahara.
That was something.
Nah,
This is
you know,
valid point.
you niggas are so
Yeah,
are
there's
so
valid
crazy. You niggas have like the wildest double standards. Like this pro-African niggas be like, hey, why likhonza uJesu wamakiwa? Then it says like, why this is us? But then you know what? That's primitive. Like,
That's actually true.
where do you actually stand, my nigga?
Yeah.
Have some shame.
Yeah, it's true.
Africans being Africans, they're always. But yeah, that was it. We
Why
had
do you
about,
get to pick and choose?
I think we
Like,
had 2 seasons. I actually downloaded the board.
Thina sile one season look esiku season 1. But thina kansithi siya remember ama season every year because if this is year 3 sesiku season 3.
yeah.
But I couldn't keep up
Us
as well.
being us, which are
Us being us, we start things and then we
I actually need to go and count how many episodes I've been on. this.
wawukhuluma lo bani lifithi uthi alikhuluma kwebezo wawuthola umuntu okhuluma njengakho.
Zakhangela mina I think ngangubo 50
There's a time we
something.
discussed
So
the
I'm
numbers.
clocked 100 here.
There's a time we discussed the numbers. I'd been nominated.
It was actually
and we got
40
there,
something.
And the way they treated us on our way and when we got there it was so bad. When I came back, bro,
Wabathethisa.
guns blazing.
Lo uyathanda ukuthethisa lo.
Guns
Liyambona?
blazing. And the next year,
Ngithethisa nini
and the
yathi?
Kama that took over next year.
Muthethisa
The
nyathi.
Kama that took over next year treated us so well. And I remember the guy who communicated, how's your journey going and stuff like that. Because
So
I-
man. So when all
Thethisa nyathi.
lalela thethisa. So when all podcast. Ralph used to have a podcast.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also used to be on another podcast.
Yeah,
Le podcast le yengani.
Nyama Avengers.
Yeah.
Nyama-
Great sharp.
Sama podcast.
He lost Blancos le. He
Yeah, I
lost
lost Blancos in my
It's very
podcast.
Dortmund. It's very
Definitely.
city.
Bro,
Yeah.
come to maintain a standard.
When a podcast.
No.
Uvuyeka zako kuhambisa podcast neke.
No.
Nah,
Okay.
uhambe podcast nikavuyi wena.
Ngubani
No, so uzaba ngu-Hendrick nxa ungazange wadlalela enye.
Yeah, when I say Brazil, straight South American.
Raul, when I was alone on a piano.
Yeah.
But yeah. So that was it for me. I've done a
So
lot of things.
now it's impressive if you look at how we've done 165 episodes, dog.
Anyway, guys, building from last week's etiquette on sleepovers, we got another thing, etiquette that we must discuss.
100%.
Breezy, like, take us home, bro.
100%.
Take us
Namhla
home.
sifuna ukuzamba ngamajita le order so besifuna ukudiscussa the famous two-man play. I don't know if we're gonna keep it a two-man or even on a group play, but I think the two-man
Forty,
is
just
the
drop
important
your
one.
mic a bit. It's covering your face. Cool. Just drop the whole thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ngabucha amazaza ngabuvale ngeface.
Yes.
No, I was trying to read. what's
So
on the
yeah,
laptop.
you're saying
Besifuna ukukhuluma nge-two-man play. And I was asking Guti, what are the rules and regulations of a two-man play? I think we're going to even cover if we're doing the kind of two-man where it's me and my boy and we're going to meet two girls for the first time, or it's maybe wena ngokhonjiweyo ngale and then mina ngibuya ngizowinga but lwana la umtshela wathini, bring your friend from our boy. Ngoba kuthiwa, is he cute?
fake picture when you put it.
Mfana njenge manje akuna time period etricky njengaleya nani okwathi kuthiwa senda vele ama picture member obuya la siwasenda
ukhayela igallery kaJoba kubone kushiya ukhayela ifit la kubona la wesihlekisa ngamankazana
imember yakho vele ungathi check kuthiwa letha ama picture bekuboni amajida waso kumele usende yi-1 uphambi kwemoto yakho lapha. You must show your whole, you know.
Because the problem is all that you have going on for you.
Me, I always wonder, dog, when we send those pictures, do girls always judge them on just attractiveness, or does he also look like? Because so many better in the picture ngimuhle ngisimini, but lenye ngekho muhle kakhulu, but ngi backstage lo bani lo play coffee, yo.
yeah.
So it's like, okay, what am I putting
I wouldn't
first?
send the one in the play court.
Yeah, I feel like the one in the ambience will always.
I wouldn't send the
And
one.
you know how
He
important
wouldn't send
I
the
wouldn't
one.
send the one with the play court.
you know how important it is to like carefully curate, especially in Instagram like that. You know, there's someone engathi ngiqala ukwenzana naye wabe wasithi famous in what the fuck are you doing? Because you know the pictures on my feed are only my pictures like professional photograph pictures. And when I'm phone no matter how much I like that picture, just put it on the story and it goes away. My feed is like professional
Only
pictures.
professional
And then
pictures.
like it's always important.
I've
It
put-
like
I've
creates
put
a
crazy
good
pictures on my-
impression on you.
I put crazy pictures on my Facebook. Because now Facebook always reminds you, bro, you're like, what the actual? You know?
Facebook, I think in next update kumele bekunike option ukuthi ufuna abantu bebona stuff sakho how many years going back.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi like from anything from 5 years lokho zenini so private so kwafi.
Exactly. That's actually a good idea. You know that you can
Yeah.
make money off that algorithm.
And then maybe like people maybe pay for that as like a premium feature.
Yeah, but
I
literally
would
selling
fucking
game right
pay
now.
actual guap to hide that shit.
Yeah, because
Hashtag YMCMB. Fuck.
Track feed.
Kulama statements I post on Facebook, like Twitter, so I'm like, what was I thinking here?
There was a time where I used to just like post random lyrics from rap songs.
That was a thing for a while. That was a thing. We used to do
That's
that.
the thing.
Little young man is like, I
What
like
you
a young head thing.
Fuck it.
Shit.
Or was that as your man? I thought I recognized it. Post it.
And I got a nigga. Grocery pay. Who fucking doing Jalen? How lame was that?
Uko to Bedrock.
Hey.
I love that song. I love that
hayi
song.
ingoma lena ipolite
linika mdala mdala linika
Mafoti linika leli
I love that song.
fana mina ngambhala amabhazi ngangabhala i-chorus ka Kanye West i-verse ka
open up the legs and fillet me nyom that
uthomba nje
enguyizi shit
let's have a toast to the douchebags
oh
have a toast for the assholes ngayibhala so i-verse
ngikala kade ngoyifaka njani
ngathi ngivuke ekuseni athola itime ali-commenting sithi remember my son it is not what goes into a man that ruins him but what comes out of his mouth hayi mdala artist formerly known as Ye. Go fucked up.
Okay, my dad is not on Facebook. My mom was on Facebook before me. Right? And I would post when I was with him. I'm like, I'm just posting. Like, it's nothing to
mina
it.
vele qiniseni lokhu zasendlalela khatshana so ngiqambela manga Facebook silabafundi just divethile la kathi sitheni kathi we were talking about the two-man play just divethile la what are your rules I feel like the first and obvious one I'll talk about is obviously don't downplay the other bro yabo la machita athi singafika lapha so mele mfana yami lo ngize ngimthengile ibhachi leli khona sasisiya lobolisa usisi wakhe
izazalo naleli ngiyelami but mpomntu abechayile ukuthi alibone limbone
ibhachi leli ngakuthengela lokulalo
Wabona scheme sakho.
amajita njalo ndoda
actually want to mark territory ngokudownplay
amajita njalo ndoda
especially maybe if it's a case where you actually don't even it happens when imember ngakuyiye ngakwazi amahands let's say mina engibizwe nathi 40 buya then idate yami ilomngani wami wena nqabuya lapha uyakwazi ukuthi mina nona vile siyazana labantu labasiya so usifuna like establish okuyi dominance what
majenta azikulenye imember yami
it's the shittiest thing anyway
lenye imember yami sesihlala sonke nami Pietro ngoBrian nalo Brian sasilenye two man mfana flawless mana ngathi flawless but leni yile highest return rate sasenza ngisitaba le member but not like too not like too flagrant so like we'd open I'm not taking the two as overrate we'd open like very heterosexual vibes and then somewhere along the night you'd act surprised Guti oh no I thought you guys realized Guti me and this guy were together that shit used to work boy
serious?
That shit used to work because then it would flip and then like for the next hour or like next hour or two that would become the whole thing Guti lila manga lina so stabat it's like what did you guys think we're doing we're just hanging out with you guys that shit had results bro
serious?
Because at the end of the night the girls were like la manga gonna
Then
show
you have to
you
prove.
but obviously you have to be delicate in how you handle it
Yeah.
but I think me and my boy ukuthi
lali strike ibalance
ngazi ukuthi yena ungaphi kade sinosemjoleni serious but I'm sure we did that one at least maybe 4 or 5 separate times and it always worked and do you know what's funny the first time we did it we didn't even plan it we didn't even talk about it ikuthi mina yakwazi ngiyakhuluma manje maybe amnenda yawo
so he actually played along
he just played along I just started it he just played along and then also ama rules futhi awe two men asibonga uvumelana nabo Cherry ungabe ngoma-40 umuntu uma-40 ngeke ngenza i-two men la wena uyitype ukuphikisana nabo Cherry
yeah
yabo
that's a very good point
Ungafi
guys kuphikisana nabo
ungafika ube membere nkani
One thing
ngayo
I've learned, umuntu ongumama ungaphikisana la, you never. That's a wrong move in your life. So I try and trust me. Mama umuntu ongumama ungaphikisana.
never ngikhuluma
uzothi yes these days ichukela liyashota uzothi alishoti hi man hey relax
But if you say some dumb shit,
hayi jabo
say some dumb shit,
Where's the
I'm
40?
like,
you my 40 very
say some dumb shit, I'm like,
whereas u-40 ehlikathi ukuthi do you know ukuthi CEO in Skolwa he's on his third term and the bylaws say after 2 terms kanti sithukela
I would never do that, but okay.
yeah
Okay.
and then I think Mina for me don't get too drunk bro come on bro
Yeah.
I can't start policing you now
Yeah.
Please,
So
act right. Hi wena sidake maybe singani sigona amacheri hi mngani wami
Relax.
hey
vele kahle
Vele dog.
vele kahle
Ngebonda nge2 mina. One ingabonda especially wena nxa kungasochera wakho lo.
Mina don't be too flash. Don't be too flash about the money. For me.
ale vele sikhavile
Lazy
le
khavile. Don't try and establish dominance.
I mean, I think when le lapho yakhona, you're basically saying, I think vele nxa uzatsha i2 man la picky member yakho kuhle. Picky member lama strength ayiswi. Ngoba amajita akupondela phambili.
Yena siyathi halfway umuntu sechokoza lapha. Amajira athi. Ezinye usazilandaba nto.
Everything ifuna isibindi, isadinga ilika courage.
Ngicela ukuchaya trumpet.
Emoteni vele ihambe sikhuluma kakhulu vele lokuyana ku off.
Imagine sichaya trumpet.
Hayi ma40 man ukukhuluma ama radical views. Ucherry lo ubaba ke nguyezana ma40 man. Ma40 sesithi.
Fuck Zano.
Aye, but
No, I'm just saying. And you are discussing what my 40, you know.
would say, okay.
Live limbono puthi.
What would 40 do?
Here's one of the rules. Here's one of the unwritten rules. I feel like a lot of pros sleep on and ikutisa machita maning ama results. Lay goes beyond the 2 man. Even if you're doing a vuzo or what. Chance, if you are in a scenario and the numbers are looking good, just wait for the baddies to pick first. Lingazipikeli nangamachita. Ungathi mina ngifuna lwami.
That's actually so genius. I'm saying that's actually so genius because I've been in situations where cats have actually been mad at me. Because Hans will cater when I'm
dog.
So inasingathi singena uthi ngifuna lwana onjo oyintambo ekhandle. Then intambo ekhandle sefika sihlala phezu kwami when I spend the time lokukhangelekile.
Khona ngwathi uthe uzathenga futhi ibhinga phela awusafuna ukuthenga. Sufuna ukuya endlini.
Yeah.
Mina dogs.
I need to go, my car.
Yeah, just let the hands choose, bro.
Yabaza ubuhlungu especially ngezikhathi ze-COVID lesiya. Yabe kuyi-lockdown nanto. Libhook iloji lahle lakhela na ngo4 ntambama. I-lockdown ethi sithi kha. So kuyi-whole night kuphunywa ekseni. So lisiba lamajita lana ukuthi kuthiwa yini ebisithi akarona usukhulumisa uCherry ngithe ngiyamfuna njani.
Vele I think that's the dumbest conversation that you can have. It's also borderline like predatory, like
that is kaya.
Yeah, ukuthi lina selihlezi lapha sele caucus meeting selokhu likhombela amankana nto ngathatha unless if some of these things are very obvious ukuthi maybe lo vele uvelo wabuya la masebiza abangani bakhe in no way now.
Yeah,
I've been talking to this person, I've been with this person for a while. Exactly. But lokuyana ukuthi it's just girls.
Amasports anorwadza. Amasports
injuka zinorema.
Tony.
Injuka zinorema.
You remind me of this guy. Sihamba lapha singu3 yamajita. Umjita lo vele afukusenza no blind. Bona nguye vele ladies man. Saba singu3 wabe khuluma uCherry wabe khuluma umyipro.
And futhi into especially if it's more than 2.
Always remind each other. That day said so. Because you never go ngumuntu ayena nguye umlava.
If it's more than 2, ungasayi 2 men play like so kuyilana sibile ukuthi maybe sokulapho Chira by 5 remember Z5. Accept okunye ukuthi not all of you niggas.
Yeah, not everyone's going to get played.
Like it's fine. Late Xbox lenye live.
Vele ikuthiwa ngama-sports lapha kufunakala i-sportsmanship.
Exactly.
Iba le sportsmanship.
If you are losing, take your loss, and move.
Yeah.
Upamanisela abanye. Kulamajita ethi angabona izabe singahamba. Sibepamanisela abanye.
Vele Chiri laba boa laba belo bani.
Abajita guys.
Iwulele sithende singaka.
Vele Chiri laba bayanya laba bakhiphe nini la hawo majensi.
Enye imember
ngayithwala
ngebruku ngikhiphe lapha ngathi asilandanga wena la.
Exactly. Killing the vibe, man.
Mina vele unomjita sasikwazi benxa sisendaweni vele kulabo Chiri asihambi laye. Problem.
You mustn't be that guy, God.
Athina ama-rules e2 man play asithi sesingenile soyi2 oka-Ralph sokuchile kodwa kwamlokho kuphusha enye problem futhi
Ralph has to accept his loss.
Hayi vele lapha nisakhulumeli one night. Let's say vele bese kuyi i2 man play disipasile sesile team yethu ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi nxa sihamba siyi2 sithatha labana beyi2.
Okay.
Kuvuke sokuchile lokhana okuka Ralph. So mina senzani ngiqhubeka ngapho ngoba lami simfonto njengoba imember yami la engasela diri lami yayi.
It depends really. Depends.
ukuthi wena le team yakho belidlala nje and injongo ngeyayo
Well, sense into is serious.
yeah
ngama-sports enathi ichaza
oh just stop the sport
Yeah.
simply because omunye selose
Qhubeka nje.
chicken inazi lose yalenda to continue winning and playing either way bro
yina ke somele kodwa liqala sukwenzayo ama-one on one thina siseko la
Isiphele way 2-man play.
osokungaba
osadlala i-2-man play kwenye indawo but ngabe uhamba
So
uyi-one.
sithi siyavuma ukuthi ama-sports avuma ukuthi
Yeah.
as a bro vuma ukuthi
esingaba off ukuthi wena subiza chela laba futhi subiza umgcini umafoni
Umemba sokuyini.
kumbe kuma-40 kutshe kuma-40
mana
kutshe
u10
kuma-40
Ngithe
bese
mina.
kuthi ngani next nxa suhamba ngayo surubiza uralph ezokhava igebe
ngibone ngama-story ukuthi hawu
ukuthi ma-40 watshani uthi awukuyeshaba nxazokujile mina ngana ungathi sengomunye umdlali
ngizwe ukuthi hayi ngizwe ubondo lapha nabaxabane ngoba uthi imembe meyawita kakhulu mana ngichiye uma-40 ngiyela nomgcini uyita kuhle sorry
uma-40 esengiwe ekhayela ku-Instagram ebone hawu
Oh shit.
ujere laba
sorry thina khena go right
hayi awungenzi njani
Oh,
ijob
lithi nxa ulitshomi lena uthi awuright wena usuphumile egemini nanzele ukuthi aba senginukhe out round of 16 labanye sokusela
Ah
abanye
relax.
nxa kusela abanye but nawe into enikathi lingu-2
Hayi ngeke bekuyi.
ya ke
anyalizwa bangani bakhe ngiyalizwa
controversial
controversial
ama-40 kade esidla ithimu lana wena uyadla ithimu lana ama-40 sengabe segonyuniwe sizathatha umgcine
ezosha ithimu ngama-40 akuyenza controversial but manje
and imagine umgcine wama-40 vele memba le-friction yabo kudala wena sibonga ukuthi
swenza kube worse but then I think maybe this would work umgcini wama-40 ngabe engayazana
maybe
yeah
but ngabe yazana I think lapho bophanisa ama-jensi ngemsila
hayi le kumele le ingani kumele siyi-review lo shadaya
songani wena waplay ukuthi bafoti bemdampe wena ubisa umgcine egemini
le kumele siyi-try VAR lo shadaya
it's not as straightforward
shadaya esitsheni ukuthi senze njani leader la ngibona ukuthi ungani umjida la ule kuthiweni kadaba there's like a show I saw being advertised. Was it like a
It's not even a show. I don't have a Twitter anymore. I know what I was going to say there. I was going to blow up about that shit. Because that guy is planning a weekend getaway for $200
yes I saw it
with guys. He wants to go educate guys. But then, Mina, for me, what does that say about your sexual orientation?
that shit is crazy.
If you're listening to another man always telling you not to spend money on women, and then he wakes up and tells you to spend money on him.
So to go tell you not
to go tell you, what does that even say about you?
That's a solid point.
Yeah, that's a point.
Mina lapana I was like, yo man, is this
and you figure up I was like
Nah, dude, $200 on another man would
200
get
is a
away.
lot, bro.
Nah.
200
no,
is
but
a
I feel
lot.
like are they making him the main event there, or is he also just part of the package? Because is it one of those things where
maybe I think it's part of the package or
yeah,
something.
because but the way I felt like it was advertised, Asambendo Shadai.
They say
because his picture is
the
big.
phrasing was a weekend away with Shaddai, which is off.
So which
Mina le 200 liyana ngeke ngiyibhadale ungathi a weekend away with Casper Nyovesi and the full sack. But ungathi a weekend away lo Casper uza perform. That's
Yeah.
different,
that
dog.
makes sense.
Am I
Yeah.
paying for the weekend away and the bro is gonna perform? Nah.
Because ngale sokungane thwali na uShaddai bevuke kuseni liyehlala labana akhulume phambi wena ethi manje litshengisa ukuthi network nature ukithathwa njani liwe lihamba ngemva kwakhe so ebot
Aye.
like I
But
always
who
tell
knows?
people
It might be successful. I mean,
always tell people ukuthi extremism sometimes igcina isebenza against you.
yeah, it's
Because
true.
that's the guy who was like, hey, Sims, why are you wasting money? Lithatha amankazana kuma getaway, yeah, what? Now he wakes up, he's
Say
like,
get away.
keep it 200,
Don't go with the girl,
come go with me.
That nigga should have made it a weekend getaway with baddies.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like if it was a weekend getaway, it's gonna be vibes, it's gonna be baddies.
but the way he doesn't like baddies.
No,
That's what the issue
but
is.
wait, isn't his idea? Wait, never feeling confused. Ala. He's saying just don't be dumb when it comes to these shorties.
Okay.
Is that not what he's saying? Don't get played by the dollies.
Yeah, so
Yes,
Is that not the
actually,
selling?
Yeah.
Is that not the
actually a
selling
noble
point?
message, yeah.
So,
But yeah, I just took it too far.
but if I'm not getting played by the dollies, it means I can get what I want from the dollies, which is, what do I want from the dollies? Poon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A cookie.
I want poontang.
Yeah.
So actually, so the weekend away he was actually supposed to be.
I would have worked.
You're supposed
Weekend
to
away with
be-
dollies. I don't know.
Kuyanini lina. Dema pedi zenyu ngaba kimi ngaba sibexoxa la.
Hey.
Ehe.
Ocheri sizashaya ibhiya lokuza but ekuseni sivuke sishayidale lamadoda. I don't know, dog, because it doesn't make sense to me. Because are we just gonna be monosexual? Are we just gonna stay away from girls now?
No.
Because the message is not
He has
stay
a
away from
girlfriend.
girls.
He has a
Yeah,
girlfriend.
the message is not
Don't spend
stay
cash
away
on
from.
them.
It's
Spend
just
less.
no, just don't be an idiot.
Don't be a
Yes,
simp.
yes.
Hey, just don't be an idiot.
But look, I've been Sabantu.
He's making them idiots.
Yeah, he's making them
idiocracy.
idiots. Yeah, it's idiocracy.
Anyway, shout out to Shada. Link edited ava.
Now so edit, but anyway, he's going on some long.
Because we've already tell the story much. When ubungahamba nge-BF this past Sunday.
No.
By the time
What did some WhatsApp?
yeah, very important. By the time this episode comes out, BF is like a 2-hour game. So, but I'm talking about the second game we played against the
Kwekwe.
Ikwekwe FC. So we won that game 4-0. Ninja shy hat trick. When was the last time there was a hat trick at BF?
I don't know.
I don't even know what do the stats say, but I think it's been a longest time. Cause
I don't know, because that is actually the only hat trick. Given there was a long period of time I think I'm becoming a BF.
Yeah.
So I want to be
But I'm
Highlander.
just one of scoreline level.
Yeah, but I don't remember seeing a hat trick.
Vele even his scoreline so going a 4. It's
Yeah.
been a long time.
Abantu
Best scoreline.
Highlanders even going back as like 2018 because those are the years that I was
Yeah.
living in the country, so I can't remember what was going on then. When was the last time we had a hat trick?
Fairfield Stadium.
Ndodi game le ibila ama high point amaningi njani.
Serious?
Ugore uchayi hands phambi phandle kwe 18 area wa period card.
Team Liana.
Oyikwekwe waphuma. Wayifaka ugore wes2.
Team Lega ivele ku D1.
I'm not sure.
Without D1.
Kwekwe.
Even like D1.
Also, how is Imos? I don't understand. Isn't these things a conflict of interest? With Imos Sicily team.
Well,
Mostly team.
It's called Imos FC.
Yeah.
That's a big ass red flag. Rather
Yeah,
they
but that's the
sponsor the
first
league.
weekend. For those of you who don't know, Imos Betway Zimbabwe. Let's try Moors World of Sport. Moors.
Moors.
But it's Moors World of Sport than MWOS.
Yeah.
So you could have a page akona tina banyo o Bechumbura. Yeah.
Opochumuchu.
So they now have a team called Moors FC.
Yeah.
That's like Betway. But I don't know, dog.
Having a team.
They have a team now.
So when teams are losing to that team, mistakes.
Or when the team is winning, like
Yeah,
it's
very
very
good
tricky.
mistake.
Here's what's crazy. Ukuthi basidle njani thina?
Yeah.
Uphilisi. Uthola back pass. Uphi back pass mbobo ngupass. But it was one of those fuck Onana kind of things. That's how they beat Highlanders.
Damn.
It was an Onana mistake. So I mean, it gets my mind racing, dog. Maybe
It's murky waters, yeah.
maybe actually.
Even the Scotland one is becoming tricky. Yes, Scotland. Fine, Scotland got the best players, right? But I can track record D1 where the most so our matches are my dubious wins. Now you don't even know is the team so good or
Labo bawina.
uphathale someone.
Kule game abayiwina 1-0 where ukeeper wacha i-back pass. Ukeeper wacha i-back pass wabe measure umgqomo ngezandla la ngena e-center laba igo. Bawina ngego yona la. I think it was their first match.
Yeah, I remember. I saw that goal.
Abantu bathi play clip la bathi ngemali eseteamini le ilishow ugore lo.
That's the thing.
Bekuyi-mistake
That's
yona
the
le.
thing. Well, now awusakwazi ukuthi
Given the political climate in Zimbabwe, the
given the
economic
allegations
climate in
that-
Zimbabwe.
given the
And the
allegations,
climate.
Yeah,
given the
there's just-
allegations that were there, that the fact that some of the sponsors of some of the people were putting money onto Scotland FC were kind of backing it involved in the Zifa elections. So it becomes a very
Do you know
tricky
ama-allegations
waters
la
now.
mina aqala ukwaziwa kuwe mafoti. I hope awufome ama-allegations
No, I'm telling you.
ubusubuzi wabhoboza lapha
I'm
ku.
just telling you ukuthi kwakwa allegations ukuthi uvayo you said they will pay what abone kwalo mjida
There wasn't an
election.
allegation he made that pledge, but I don't know now the person that
It
he was
was being
pledging for.
alleged ukuthi that's a breach of a rule here.
It wasn't alleged. It's under investigation. You
Yeah.
just a ban of vele into learning investigate.
Like
Obani thina?
Is my ban
Zimbabwe.
pore. FIFA
Doda,
bengakudiscover.
ukuthi kona kwatha
Sivela ban of
And
that.
fresh off the ban.
Yeah, we're fresh off a
Yeah.
ban. So if FIFA got hold of that, they're actually investigating it. So the verdict is going to come out.
uzabona bebamba thina bekabamba iMan City.
No, but here's the thing. But again, to me, FIFA and all these are international sporting things. They thrive on stuff like that, on corruption, because they are as corrupt as they can be themselves. You might find out they might see channel akolokwan, meaning Guti, they will hold whoever Zimbabwean president in Uguti. Next time they ask for push the was for Taylor.
Hayi lokhu uzavela nje layibona idocumentary
That's how it
leni.
works. Ukuthi ngazi FIFA sifuna push something, Zimbabwe would have to vote for that thing.
But the problem ukuthi thina Africa
But
amavoti
thina nathi abasizwa vele. Thina nathi bevela sibhana bakwanisa ukusiphinda basincenye.
Yeah,
Let's
so
get
it's
them
one
zona
of
kuthiwa
those.
sikoshapa.
Yeah.
vele aziko izimo kodesiya.
So andiyabona ukuthi vele
It's-
kuchini.
Check,
Njayisana
did you see
amajida
how-
amaningi futhi eBF.
Did you see how the photo was the first match in Scotland? The pitch. Bro, the only pitch I've seen so far that looks dope in APF. Like right now, I've seen all the pitches. The pitch so far that looks so well for sporting, for soccer is Baba
Aka
Fields.
pitches are in Georgia.
The only problem with
I got it.
the only problem with BF is I don't know why they haven't done the renovations. Of course, quota that way put about I'm a budget approve. But why the BF was the first stadium that's supposed to play a match now.
I think
Khuluma
vele
ngama-budget
Like
kulo
closest.
member ochayiwa measure ipotholo ku-30 lapha.
ngimbonile
Hey,
doda.
50 centimeters deep. Then Lee 1 by 4 meters.
Phambi kwemakhetheni.
Actually 2 by 4 meters. Then
Who's really
50
responsible?
centimeters deep.
Did you see the response
From Uncultured.
after having spoke to the engineers?
But then,
But then there's a drainage problem. Ngale ku-third. So they first have to deal with the drainage problem, then move to the port.
Awuthedi laphana.
but
Cabanga
ngabe
nje-
sadila lakhona lokhu phela imoto zama 400,000 siyazibona la.
Baba.
But anyway, let's continue.
Okay, bona city council
Besadila la khona
bona
lokhu.
bathenga imota bona.
But abathengi bezimota bathi bona part of the deal is they fix the roads, especially in town. So ngibone nje ithi matchbox ngena pa I think ngawuhamba ngamabhikli la namanana I think iyacatsha phakathi kwePort.
Ayangena lapha.
Khethe ube underground parking.
Laphana kule underground parking lapha.
But that whole area lo bhengula place say dust road.
Yeah.
Ala
Lo bhengula
uthulo
say
laphana.
dust road.
You'd think akusuke town yazo ngambe endaweni lezi.
Uthulo laphana.
Dust
I was
road,
one
bro.
day ngifuna ngidinge amabhedi ayi5 ntasambini town ngiyechila la khona ngani.
Asuka mina uthi but ngililethe town.
Ngisize
But
town.
it's a town.
It's so bad.
Do you know who I feel bad for? The people that have shops there.
Yeah.
Because ongena ama-shops asedobhengula street lapha.
Isitoko
Asithuli
sona
even phakathi
still-
kweshop
And
ndoda.
then
Yeah,
this is where the
ngathenga-
sewage.
Afiwe uthuli
Ngeke
lapha.
ngathenga-
This is where the sewage futhi khona phiyana. It's
ngeke
just a
ngathenga
mess.
something komunye umkula lapha wathi ngiqhubela ngathi kana ulokunye yini. Serious to
Kuyafiwa.
kungithi kuthi then she's like no man wabe hamba
It's funny how
wakhangela
there's
ngale
a flea
phakathi.
market actually.
My flea market lena yenzi le. Labantu uthenga usiyawacha vele. Cabanga
It's
doda.
bird.
And do you know what's crazy is there's some people who own shops there who've maybe owned shop for like 20 years. And remember that used to be prime real estate back in the day. Let's say late 80s, early
Kodwa nyoro
90s.
nyoro phela lapha.
Oh, that was prime real estate. Do you know
Yeah,
the two
that was
places
dope,
that used
yeah.
to be really
Indawo
prime real estate?
lena
Laphana kuLobhengula Street. La ngale tu se NRZ.
Eh, release, man.
Laphana ngokungayenzi. Ngawule shop laphana. Kuyiye ihadoni slide leya. Lezonke izizwe.
Ngale phela phezulu ngabe NRZ
Lapha ufika uthi drip uthi stimela
Timela.
uthi falls.
Follows.
Ghana.
But he falls.
Train uthi Harare.
Whoever was put for that uthi because ulala stimela uyethi stimela like it was
Iweva
just-
kahle kahle equivalent yethu inene se airport lena. Ejozi lena. Ngawuse OR
That's what
Tambo.
it was. That it's called proper planning,
International
bro.
hotel yeah.
That hotel, bro. People planned this. This city was planned. Was
My
well
dad
planned.
once told me ukuthi yazi kudala ngangihlala ngifisa ukuthi one day ngizaba le mali lami ngeke ngilale weValley. Kade usuthi ngeke undithole ngingene weValley khona
That building is for
uyaqeda
sale.
change.
That building is for sale. I think for 1 million.
Kana mafuna into lezazelanga.
Dude, it's there. They list stuff. I follow my real estate agents. What?
Ngoba ngikwazi selimbiza dude madoda.
Ngoba 40 kwazi yonke into ndo.
No, I follow. Like I was looking for my stands and
Save
houses
for
to buy.
pyramid schemes.
So I
Gary, i-building lana ku-12 Avenue lo George uhamba njani ngayo?
12 Avenue man.
12 lo
Lo
George.
George.
12
Across
George.
Poly. Red Range
Is there
Garage.
something? Is there something?
That
Yeah.
building, that executive. So that building, the owner is alive. the owner is alive. Okay. So that building, if you actually, it's actually like most of the time when there's ZITF, it's like some PMP like
that's accommodation.
If you wanna realize, I'm a paper is not long as chialapa. Mama, like it's clean. So one of the political players, I clean your building there. One of the political players.
Man. One red range.
Executive suits corner George.
Oh, that one.
Yes, it's normally clean. No.
Penthouse or something.
Yeah, that's what's there. So most ZITF, it was open. You'd see. But now political players wanted that building and wanted to force him to sell it. As now, you change that.
Hi, my 40.
Guys.
Oh, my 40 man.
It's no longer in news.
That's a problem.
The moment you said, my phone, it's unfortunate, it's fortunate that I know this thing. It's unfortunate that I know this thing.
That's my 40.
No. Yes. It's because I was curious as to why that building was always like that. Then I went to someone who's in real estate.
Into leyo sayikhuluma ukuthi i-biggest showcase ayithola sesiqede i-podcast le ukuthi sitheni kwakuma-40 silokhu sisukela abanye abantu ababebuya la elithembileyo leliya.
I just, when I'm curious, I get answers.
Okay.
wabe ngakurecruit wena
uyazi uhlubelisa inamba
No.
namhla wesofa ugqoke njengalo
recruiter for intelligence, they really do intelligence. So
anyway. Moving on.
Okay.
Who do you niggas have? Just a quick one. Who do you niggas have winning in Champions League so far? So that we know Liverpool is out. Atletico Madrid. Oh, was it Liverpool? Look, I'm getting bored out.
But you thought
Liverpool is out, Pela.
Oh yes.
Okay, I thought you thought Liverpool is out. So
i-quarter final e-Madrid le-Arsenal try nani-fight ka-Casper lo-Slick Talk.
You know what now?
Arsenal.
That was the tricky one. Do you want to know why that Real Madrid is never under pressure? Listen to all their interviews. Everyone has Real Madrid, they are never under pressure at all. Ask Mourinho, ask anyone. Real Madrid is never under pressure. Arsenal are under pressure because they've lost the league. They haven't won anything, and they've been playing good soccer. That might actually make them win.
I feel like this time
around.
They're
hungry enough. Madrid doesn't really have that. At the moment, they don't have that one person.
Let me tell you something.
They don't have it.
They do have that one person.
One.
Jude Bellingham. Olaguza was just off last night. Vini was just off. Because Atletico has a really good defense. Not only that, in Madrid derby is a really charged game. It's a different game. It doesn't matter what form Man United is in.
Against Man City.
But, Liverpool. Man U is number 16 league. Manchester and Liverpool is a different story.
True.
So that's the problem with the Madrid.
Guys, Madrid being neutralized. Look, I know what we're trying. 8 minutes. Under pressure. 8 minutes.
That was a derby. That's a Madrid derby, Leonard. But here's the trick thing now. Is Real Madrid always has that one person that makes them tick. Like always has that one person. And I'm not seeing Mbappe doing it.
So Mbappe. I'm not seeing
Bellingham is moments. I've been watching Real Madrid. I've been watching Real Madrid. No, yes, he's Zolo Pela. But I've been watching Madrid. He's not that consistent in showing up. He's not that consistent in showing up.
You see, what
I'm going to cross. He's consistent. That's what made Real Madrid kick in that midfield.
Right, yes. But the problem with people who have that level of talent is they actually might not be consistent, but they show up when it counts.
Yeah.
Yibo Mo Salah. Mo Salah la yakwanza ukuthatha ama game.
Yeah.
Fana bo Haaland.
Only. Ngobani abawina from the teams that left behind.
Yeah, I
think we're now diving into this shit. Kulan Ved. Kule Bayern.
Barca and Real Madrid.
Kule Barca, kule Bayern.
May I'll tell you a team that I feel like has been playing like a serious contender that people are not taking serious. PSG.
Oh, PSG is still in it, right?
Not only are they still in it, though. By keeping number one content.
I'm a chokers. Those are chokers.
But here's the difference.
Yes.
for a very long period, PSG relied on our stars to try get
This time around, they're
Now
like
they don't have
underdogs
stars.
of some sort.
and they are playing like underdogs.
driven.
And for the first time, for me, even yes, Katibelo, Neymar, Mbappe, Neymar, Mbappe,
Suarez.
I didn't even count
they
them
didn't
in,
even. I could tell these guys are not going to. Mbappe Kichwa Imenu, dog. I could tell. But this time around, especially the way about Zelenga, I've in the last 1.5 years, I haven't seen Liverpool get outplayed that badly. Especially with first leg, yeah.
That was
I remember Lezana
Liverpool
Villas.
with Zimira,
that was bad.
So I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on that.
When you try as a Lusa living, Curtis.
But the number one contender right now in
Surprise.
Europe has been Liverpool. Maybe closely followed by maybe Real Madrid or whatever, but it had been Liverpool. And Liverpool, not only maybe scoreline in Kichio, but they were severely outplayed by PSG. And Abantu was done. Here's where it's gonna get really fucking crazy. Where you'll see Mbappe left PSG to try get the Champions League.
And
Madrid.
PSG will get it without him.
PSG is
will
like,
get
for the
it
first time.
without
It's gonna be poetic, right?
It's gonna be so poetic.
That'll be
Wow.
That'll
But
be crazy.
But then
Bacalana like
but-
potent
but-
Real
Real
Madrid.
Madrid,
Yeah.
Gule
That team is
Barca.
Real
potent.
Madrid is never under pressure.
That's true.
That's check it. Real Madrid can sorry. Excuse me.
What?
Real Madrid can fuck up. Real Madrid can fuck up league or anywhere else.
But not Champions.
When it comes to Champions League, we'd rather lose go final. Right? That's
When
Real
ukhuluma
Madrid.
njenge-fan layo,
Right?
that's
No,
the
no,
problem.
No, no.
Yeah,
It's not it's not as a friend. It's how
Yes.
it is. It's how that's their DNA, right? It's like how Manchester United was when Ferguson was there. That's like, you can lead us 2 or 3-0 for 80 something minutes. We'll come back and beat you 4-3. That was their mentality. That's Real Madrid. That's their nature, right? Arsenal, they've pressure. They've too much pressure right now because they need to win something.
Let's kuluma overall
Right?
nje who you think
So,
would win.
Mina, I'm gonna go Real Madrid or Barca.
Pressure doesn't score goals, bro.
Yeah, Real Madrid or Barca in the final, and one of them will win.
I'm going for
Mina,
Barca.
I'm gonna.
Kungaba i-Real Madrid le-Barca ku-final sebengayibethi Madrid unless
Hayi,
ingenza
Barca.
ama-antics
Yeah,
ayo lana
it-
ukucontain
it-
igame until the last minute.
Ibhaka zingayithathi.
Yeah.
Mina, I'm
But even le-Bayern yona le lingayi-count out ngendlela uMusiala lona bulala ngayo kares.
yeah, udlive apha.
No, but here's the thing. Jack, when you talk of Champions League, it's not, when you talk about the team, a well-oiled machine, bro.
Yeah, that's
Guys,
how they've been.
well,
Azingazidliwa
machine,
but I
bruh.
don't think sasingezadliwa vele.
Barca, PSG, they'll go
Mina,
No
Majez, ngiyimember
by the
Madrid.
wayside.
You've known this, but I'll just go out of my way and throw my hat in for PSG. But obviously, my heart is gonna go in Madrid. But I feel like PSG might surprise. Maybe I'm saying that because I feel like it would be the most poetic outcome anyway. It's
gonna be
headline
yeah.
worthy.
PSG
Script
win.
like
If Arsenal get to beat Real Madrid, then PSG can win it.
If Arsenal do what? If Arsenal do
I need you to
what?
understand, Lab. I need you
Hey
to
man, shut the
understand.
fuck up, man.
When are those games, bro?
Mina, all I'm telling you is, and this is a game of football, right? Real Madrid is never under pressure, right? And Arteta and his boys need to prove something, and this is the only time they have now. Like, because this is the only time that they have now.
If Arsenal beat Real Madrid, I'll allow Yamazu Bruce. Bruce, do you know Bruce? The guy who's a journalist. He's a big Arsenal fan.
Yeah.
I'll allow Bruce to slap me twice on camera.
Okay.
And then we'll post it on this podcast. I'll send this clip to him.
Okay.
If Arsenal beat Real Madrid over both legs
Okay.
and go through, he can slap me twice on camera and we'll post it here on the podcast.
You're so daring, bro.
Oh,
I get why you put $100 the other time.
Arsenal! He even tweeted some shit about but anyway, Rudiger, as long as they pee that, I'm gonna hate this Gabriel. That's all I'll say.
Anyway, let's
So some of the headlines that was going around this week was the announcement Zimura. And
Yeah.
announcement Zimura. Lizwile Machens. Lizwile announcement Zimura.
Yeah.
Ukuthi,
They want
they want to
to-
charge cover bands
$150
$150 US per show for performing cover music
Why?
because they are making money off other people's music.
Creative.
So ngo tongo bani lava tongo wathi ngo choir hub Tony choir
Travelers,
choir
Travelers Band.
or pub choir or travelers band. I think those are the most affected ones.
Yeah, but then
Yeah, especially like the well-established ones.
Yeah,
Well,
but then
I think
the
like I
questions-
check it pub choir look.
the questions here are they within the confines of the law?
That's what they said. They put out a statement and said that.
In as much as I got on my way back from Harare, I got to sit down and read the Copyright and Neighboring Act in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, Leo lam ngaibala because I was
What?
doing some information shit.
You niggas gay. That is
No,
down.
bro.
Yeah,
Mina,
copyright
need to
and
be
neighboring for me,
well-informed
yeah.
When I'm about to tackle
But I move
something.
on. Kulum
Right?
Kulum
So the rules of copyright are: if today I sing Ngoma Kamtukuthi right now, if I sing it, it's a cover, right? And any payment is to be made, or any arrangement, or any foreplay, or that what is the people who own the music Kamtukuthi.
So that's what they are saying.
Right? It's the people that own, not Zimura.
Yes,
Not
Zimura
Zimura.
it's speaking on behalf.
No. Zimura is speaking on behalf of the artist. Has there been an official complaint to the police or any
From the artist.
from the artist? Because
I don't
again,
know. But about
That's where the issue
is there complaint to the police? Complaint to the police in that regard.
Yeah, but when you have an issue like that, ufuna ngihambe enkulumane police.
So here's the thing.
I think it's Zimura.
Here's the thing. Because the law only gives the owner of the music the right to make those complaints.
But now registered under Zimura.
Zimura is a collecting.
Yes.
A collector.
And it's their job.
But Zimura is a collector. The collector is Zimura.
How do you collect airwaves?
Right. Yes, Zimura does. Zimura is supposed to collect from TV, radio. Zimura charges.
And performances.
Zimura charges. What do you call those guys? Anyone on the TV. Anyone, if you have a shop and you have a TV, on top of your TV license, or if you have a radio, on top of a TV license or radio license, you need to pay Zimura. If you own a PA system like Sound Culture, you need to pay Zimura, right? And other venues need to pay National Arts Council for being a venue for events.
For entertainment.
Right? So a band, if I want to perform in Ngoma, Zega, I'm too good. If I want to perform in Ngoma, let's say Zega, who's alive right now? If I want to perform in Ngoma, Zega Winky D.
What is a K Breezy?
Okay, it's like a K Breeze.
The first.
Where's this need?
If I want to perform in Ngoma, K Breeze. If I go to K Breeze and say, K Breeze, I want your songs. I want to perform them this month. I've got this amount of shows. How much do you want? K Breeze can tell me for one. K Breeze, that's how it's supposed to be. When you go to festivals, if you go to Cape Town Jazz Festival or international festivals, if you are going to give them your set and you have cover songs, they are the ones that pay to the owners of the songs, or whoever the owner of saying said.
So when I am saying the clubs should be paying to Zimura, or that should fall under the licensee club, Vale.
No.
What are you saying?
Like, if umuntu akona, here's the thing. Here's any artist, because you'll be
That's what they
surprised.
said, because-
Artist akona ayala ukunywa Zimura. Zimbabwe Music Association iyala.
Lalela, doc.
Right?
Do you know the one I read was even mentioning supporting even the families of
That's
artists
the
who passed
statement.
away.
That's the statement after the
Of
original
course.
statement.
All right.
But then,
but bezama defend a position yabo.
in as much as this on the surface seems like a good thing, especially to give back to abaningas bengoma lezi. Ye problem it will always go back to Zim being Zim.
Yeah.
They'll always package good ideas.
But
As good ideas,
it always
but
ends
ama
up-
150 la as a collective wona nganukuzothwa sisile 1 million ema 150 bhadela ngamabhala amapen
Ubuya mfazi kaJakata.
uyamfazi kaJakata 900,000
Hayi, but khonapho ku-100,000. Listen, let's just say but
I
the
saw you,
one
boy.
night Travelers Band performed 10 songs or 20 songs for 20 different artists about 150. Are you gonna split that? Because remember, when it's Zimura, it's a administration fee.
admin uzathwa vele
Lalela.
$100 khona
Mina vele
or
mina
149.99
yabona my entire argument 149.99. My entire argument really doesn't even lie in whether or not it's right to be collecting. I feel like okay, there's logic behind saying okay, if cover bands are getting booked this much and they're performing other people's music, the issue was just the fee. Because mina lalela.
I'm just classes. I'm just sorting in my classes. That's wrong.
Because even in the groups, I mean, I didn't see a lot of, the issue then becomes the fee is very exorbitant. A lot of bands don't even get booked for that price. You understand?
Yeah.
Some bands get booked 80, 90, so you have to
$100.
do like 2 gigs or like 3 gigs every weekend.
For you to pay for one.
For you to kind of get somewhere. Now imagine ukuthi libookwe 3 gigs and the first 2 are Patali Zimura. Arikathengile box le vava. You know what I'm saying? So that's a bit crazy for me. So I feel
but
like
Zimura said they should. Zimura tells if you are charging
Yeah, you
$100,
should.
can increase your charges.
yeah, they said now you must increase your charge. And do you know what people are saying? 150 a year would make sense.
And
Cara, it's
I also
150
have
per
a
what?
thing.
Per show!
How?
Nigga, you think we're saying 150 a year? 150 per show. They said 150 per show.
That's another thing.
How much
Footing
was
a
trying?
iZimbabwe mnimpoile into eyi-one guys. Every time ungaba le situation ukuthi kumele kwenzakale something. Otshwane esikhwameni ngama-citizens all the time.
100%.
eZimbabwe usuzibone kuthiwa njengaseGoli lapha i-COVID sokuyilahla kuthiwa manje sichayisa ama-350.
Libelibamba.
eZimbabwe ngavele kube le nto phela. Kumele thina obe sikhipha.
Here's what's crazy. Where was this all along? It's only now pub choirs popping.
Travelers Band is only like 5,000.
Travelers Band is popping. So suddenly it's hi.
They always vele that's how they actually
But
operate.
by law, if I'm gonna use someone's song, I need the rights from the owner of the song.
Oh, not
Right?
even look at the
That's what I'm
license.
saying.
Because how does a DJ license work? I need you when you're a DJ, you play other people's music.
you get
But
a license as
Yeah,
well,
you
yeah.
pay an annual DJ
Yeah.
license. And that's too, because all of that money then gets split in and paid for. Look, that's how these guys can play my music or play anybody else's music.
Exactly,
Simple as that. So I feel like it should be an annual license.
Like
Like
I'm saying right now, if I go to KB's and KB's, I want all your songs this month in Pajile, I can't pay Zimura then. If I'm gonna do your songs.
But maybe you should,
Right?
you should do the payment via Zimur. That's what they're saying.
No, but then I'm talking to you. I am talking to you, Uguti. If you put 500,
That's valid.
if I pay 500 to Zimura, how much of 500 are you going to get?
Well, that's.
And I'm offering you 500
That's a
bucks.
different argument.
And
but-
also
That's
they're
what I'm
like
saying.
they're also like fair use copyright laws and shit. So it's really like a get rich quick scheme. I think bebengasela mali bebefuna ama-Ford Ranger manje
Bona
abantu
kahle
beZimbabwe
kahle.
bathi mali.
Wenza uthiwa i-Travelers Band izibhuku yemali engaka i-pub choirs yenza imali engaka.
Iqiniso bona kahle kahle babona indlela yokwenza imali. But ungabali i-act leyana, what they are doing and how this is supposed to go, they are doing it the wrong way.
Maybe. But Mina Machenza, I'll tell you, as someone who makes someone who makes music,
Yeah.
I went to one pub choir and the thought did cross my mind. Like I was like, but really I didn't even go because I was like, okay, like the place was sold out and they were doing other people's songs.
Yeah.
Then they brought on Skulo.
POC.
The POZ.
Yeah.
Yes. They brought out Skulo POZ on stage. And then I thought, oh, this is a good like nod. Because I'm sure those guys haven't performed like in 20 years.
Forever.
But then I thought, but they must have their bases covered. I'm sure these guys have like a similar license, engineer DJ's license. The same way, Ukotwane can get on stage and play ngomas Kabza is more. And he has the legal right to do that because he's a DJ. I assumed, okay, then pub choir gets there and does ngomas
Yeah, but I think the conversation here is supposed to be between the owners of the songs and
When ubona nabanikazi bengoma bazithulela kodwa vele bakhulumile yabo sebezwile sebehamba.
kule abanikazi bengoma abangafuniyo vele what Zimura is pushing.
I don't know,
Zimbabwe Music
dog.
Association is saying otherwise.
Abanikazi bengoma futhi abangafuni ingoma zabo zibe zitshona zisenzwa so.
Yeah.
Kwenziwa.
So if everyone is
goes both
talking,
ways.
and Zimura is not budging,
Like 6ix9ine.
right? Simply because when we are Kichimisi.
It goes both way like fellatio.
But I just think tell you Zendeli, nxa ungakwazi, we are favele.
Anyway, some question of the day.
Yiphi lena dise groupini?
Or maybe let's just address that. Let's read that message, then we do question
I don't know
of
how
the
we're
day.
gonna read that one, dog. Because I saw someone say,
Let's paraphrase it.
"Karanga ni
filter?
icho mi yakore."
Was a field.
You show me, I think we'll be
By the field.
Also, this is what happens. Some out of this. Guy and girl meet. They hit it off. 3 months down the line, Uklama sleep over here and there. Girl gets pregnant. Abang give up, bring it to you. Cool. So it is what it is. And then you have an argument, low baby mama.
Ekubopisa.
Ego peace. Police. Now,
Espanza ukuchila.
ungeni. Sihamba sithi story emapolice hayi no it was never physical what but so say span sesichile ngoba utshona ubochi ubungekho so replace span sesiphelile na span sesiphelile umamazi yabuya yaxolisa sorry mina I'm only human I make mistake abangini vele afuna kumbona
What's the way forward?
what's the way forward.
Now my first question is, Yena, does he love the chick? Because I feel like if you love your person, ngoba nxa ingeke ukuthi lathi besizwe indaba ekhona via 17 grapevines.
Yeah, maybe let's see sibambe ngekhandi inhlwa le.
Yabo. Shwani. Yena ngayimthanda umuntu wakhe dog. Fuck it baby, we roll. Ngoba the way indaba lena ekhuluma mina vele the way indaba
But she's fucked up how you make your money and how you take care of the child.
lalela. Mina my point was the way it was ungenza umuntu exoxela istory sithi yazi uCherry ngachayisa la 2 months yazi wasepho ngomitha. Uthi feel kana umthando umuntu lo because ngathi umthando uyaphoint.
It's already sensationalized, right?
It's like you're already making me feel like vele in the first place I'm in this because of what happened. I'm not really in this because I love this person.
Yeah.
But nxa ungixoxela umuntu wakho umthandayo yahluvela uthi yazi nje uCherry wami uhambe so. You know?
Exactly, yeah.
And then the story is cooking already. So then I don't need to find out if when I'm a Cherry wakho laqala so.
Uqinisile ukuthi utsho umloyo yamazobotshiswe ngicomnike mic.
Suka kudala.
No mabizo
Wemazi?
Suka kudala.
No mabizo abantu.
Awudlali into. Guys, mina benisithi indaba le hypothetical.
So wena uthi ngakho bra. Kule ngoba we feel like kule stress ngasizwanga la.
Ngoba indaba yabantu atingavuyikhuluma.
No comment.
Hayi right njalo.
Yeah, so iyahlupa le. Yeah, akunye ukuthi into zabantu guys ziyahlupa guys. Conclude. Nyawazi lifuna sibili ku podcast sibele opinion on everything. But sometimes some things.
Kulenye into eseyikhuluma even one of the earlier podcasts we once had a girl who wanted to come here and she said she wanted to expose ama-gay artists afihla eBulawayo. Sale zathi sisi indaba zakho zivakala zijuisan but thina we do not want to talk about anything that is not in the public space. Wananzelela yonke into esikhuluma ngathi nidi siphumile newspaperni asifuni usokuthiwa thina hey
ite sesibreak ama news
ngaphandle kwakho wena ngule problem
Umafoti nge-breaking news.
mina ngikhuluma into ezikona
Uyu ane problem
that you guys don't know because clearly now you spend your time on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. I spend time on real things that happen.
Sesingenelo.
Yon.
indaba lena thina lena ngani tricky there.
Yeah, it's a any trick. But they should just maybe seek counseling and we have advice. Seek counseling. Find a way, because like if there's a kid involved now, you can't really like.
It's not about the two of you.
You can't really like.
It's not about the kid. Yeah.
Like have smoke. Because so they just need to find a way to get along.
If we talk this story, new weekend in Chaisa, Michome Samuria. As we Chaisa the machita, Guisui.
When to the lago Sufika, la was Samario. Yeah. I'll chat to you, Ricky.
Were you with your sister?
It was my sister, bro.
Okay.
Because this guy posted like, my person is here. What we say, Poreni.
And I
haven't seen my sister in like 2+ years, bro. Maybe yeah, bro.
No, 2.
Something like 5 years. Zulu fashion now.
Go in 2023. Go in 2023.
It's 2025 now.
We're in 2025 now. Because she left around this time. So actually it's close to 2 years.
Yeah.
It's you're right. It's close to 2 years.
Mna 5 years.
She's a quick one. So anyway, what they figure very what I'm born what I know you're on a sabbatical, but it might be another 4 or 5 years before you see me, boy. So ngathi ngawuzompimba uthi remember le ndoda manje itshene machensi ngitshengisa into eyenza ke le yazi dog nginaliza abantu lizasenza kwesinye isikhathi sibe ngani ngive siyalishayinela ukuhlangana lana how far keep ngingayi wallet ya Monas how far keep breezy let's go have some beers bro. Alright, let me feel mina okay breezy mana ngifike emjidweni
and have some beers
ngasifika lapha remember yanivule wallet ithi ama-100 kumbe ama-50 incheck ukuthi ngikhangele appetite yotshwala yahle yaphela
wagawa sabbatical
wasekhipha 20 so sinathani ade vele ikade ufuna ngubona ukuthi wallet yakhe ama-100 lama-50 uyazi so ndoda.
Who even does that?
Who does that, bro?
Anyway,
small dick niggas
amajita amanye maybe angazi ukuthi maybe la kumbe incela sesifaka amajita pressure. You don't need to be like that, dog. We are just regular niggas. One day mali le 2 months in first kwayo ngamphuma kona bekhothen ngoDecember la siroka kuyenye member remember la so describe le motor yakhe remember la very actor fan siyaphuma la ngiphandle le boys yami yabo alpha K breeze ngabe ngithi alpha dog sweet mangithi ngiya cross Selicheck ama-ohms la.
No.
Likhanya loyi-2.
Yeah, what's up?
Usecheck bro.
Doesn't look like what we want, but anyway, let's go.
Ngithi ngilakusela afana lubhodi ngemoto yathi. So I can see the car from the corner of my eye. Ilapha nimile lapha. Kunama bed inside. But I think I was talking to someone. I can't remember. Was it Unije or something? Then he look ayihle imoto la ngani kwakumelelwe iminting ngiqede ukukhuluma bese ngichibilika ngiye ngale ngiyakhona. Ngathi ngichibilika so remember then ithe so. Iba imbodlela yini. Let me check it. Ngabe ngikhangela ipoise yami ngathi wabe sithi I think remember leli niki pressure or something. Amajita you don't need to do that check. Thina singabantu lathi. Echasana lathi hey how far and you act like a regular fucking guy. Yabo. I'm done with my point.
Yeah.
I'm done with my fucking point.
Anyway,
Right.
question of the day, right?
Wasn't that the question of the day?
No.
What wins in Havana?
No, Lena.
Okay. Do you have
Hayi
a
le
question?
into athi imboyile ngomuntu uyazazi vele angazi inyaka waseyibukela i-podcast le uza izindaba yakhe.
A question of the day, I'll just read it out as it is. The guy was like, do you smash your cousins? Or did you ever smash your cousins? I'm sure you might suspect to us.
I think leli ifake kubi machinza. I think ifake kubi.
Check, ubhale njalo message njalo member lwana lokuzini. Busakhuluma i-style yakhe ngamswela.
Ubhale nga.
Ubhale message I think egroupini or some shit. Ubhale la one? Yeah. That guy is a wild guy. I don't even know, but yeah, he actually sent smashing cousins. That's literally what he asked.
You know what? Hannah's and Dynamos has been stabbed for the Independence Trophy.
Man, that's
Man,
really
I'm
lila.
Phela into efani ukuthi akulo yi-one ophendulileyo la. Maybe
Can I see?
lalela maybe they'll confuse our silence for something. It is a resounding no.
It is why would you fuck your cousin? Why would you smash your cousin? Why would you smash your cousin?
Karina lapha likhuluma manini ngikabuza. Likhuluma ngomzala okuthiwa wakhula la. What is one?
No, I'm just trying to call and get the actual question. All right, so asibezikhuluma ngeyilandad.
Lapha likhuluma ngomzala okuthiwa wazalwa la ngumzala lo chayisana emfeni la usule 31.
I think both scenarios.
Oh. The 31, bra.
Let's say my 40 linalimu liliana vele enza izinto eziyiswi. Kuthiwe ngoDecember siyahlangana neforce lapha. And then kuhlangane labantu akazobabona empilweni yakho. Uthiwa kodwa yisihlobo zakho. Then the problem with this kind of setup hearing the problem with this kind of setup you already know. But I want to come up, maybe let's say right emshadweni. Yeah, I think umshadweni is the place.
Vele emshadweni.
Umshadweni is the best. Kumbe mfeni. But emfeni la ngabona umisa into emfeni.
Hayi phela i-depression inokunye uyi-adrenaline.
So into engitsho because le setup ade sengikhulumile example yayenza because already you know you're told.
Siyangomzala.
But emshadweni you might think i-guest. Then my sister lona le vibe yonke into yini sharp yonke into sharp uyabona ukuthi uhamba sharp.
No one introduces you go and do your thing.
Do your thing. Then kusasa kathi uyamazi lo. Ngumntaka Josephat umalume wakho lwana
owafele egoli.
Owafele egoli. Ngomnyaka wendla.
Ngibuthamlana wafele egoli.
Bangasuvela usunankile. Lithi ngasuvela usunankile uyama.
Wenzani wena?
Hayi nombuza wena, unobuza mina nombuza wena.
Stop.
Uyama.
Azarabuleni biko convincing.
Kumani check, kumani. Kuma wena umbe kuma.
Yo. Sesihlesa kufonela siphangisile ukukhanuka.
Siyasebenza thina.
Karele ngoma opho yena wayesebenza ebusuku.
Oh yeah, they should be working now. Sisoke isikhathi
Mbuze.
Dog, what was that question of the day? Can you please read it out? Because mina lezi ngani zithi mina ngirong.
Umbuzo uphi? Omakhazini.
Wena lo omakhazini.
Hayi umbuzo ubuza ukuthi okhazini bakhanzi ngane kwamaqini or is just a myth.
Okay. I think he's phrased it nice now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wena uthini? Uhle usiphendule ungahambi. Asila airtime.
amanyala.
So awukhanzingi.
Hayi angikhanzingi.
Ungaba ku situation lana right ukuthi sokumele ukhanzinge maybe ungakwazi. Emchadweni like selivibile vele la
Ningazani.
la tshengisana le nhlambi efonini then bese beli introduce ukuthi isihlobo sakho. Uyaqhubeka umbeke. Tsintsing. Hayi all right. Ambe sebenza bagcina befohla lapha amakhiya okuxoxa. Sure. So yeah, that's the question. Is it a thing? All right, let's say.
Makazi
Yeah.
nakanzingana.
Vele ukuthi abantu bazavuma.
Let's broaden the scope.
I know
then.
scenarios where
Is it a thing? Let's
some
not say
people-
ukuthi wena
Like,
mafoti
it is
will
a
do
thing.
it, but is it a
people
thing?
with-
It is a thing.
I know there are people who have smashed their cousins.
It is a thing.
Yeah, okay.
Knowing
Obvious kulabo hayi yazi lapha I think ngikhulume wrong lapha kuzave ngani. Yazi mina ngibona kulabo mzala labantu ngokhazi makuthi lo umntakantu wakho wakhula la wazala. Laba yo sokusela labana yiko look and bring.
Lona jeke bese ngusisi wakho la ungabona usenza njalo la usuhlanye nto.
But yiko mina bring up labo ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu othiwa ungamazi
ukazi nakazi
ubona
ubuye
uthuli
vele
ipi.
UK.
ukazi nikakazini wakho.
Uthuli ipi
Wesofuna ihlobana
emchadweni.
Ukazi nikakazini wakho.
Ngapha la ekuhlekelela then ukuthoyekela.
Ukazi nikakazini wakho.
Ndoda kuyabe ngulwana ukuthi futhi yena kiye yena umalume akho nguyoyithethe ngale so uvela isayidini yakho umfazi kamala anihlobane
Exactly.
la.
Yeah.
It's not distant. Yeah.
Actually, did you see the stats that actually
Alihlobane sifuna lihlomane.
lihlobana. Did you see that fact ukuthi when to be here you needed two parents, they both needed two each, and then those ones needed two each, so
Exactly.
it doubles every time. If you just go back, excuse me, is it 50 generations?
Lehlobani.
If you go back 50 was it 50 generations, just 50 generations, you end up needing like 1 quintillion people, which is more than the total number of people that have ever existed. So at some point, that is the honest truth, for you to exist today there had to be some incest going on, not maybe some crazy incest, but
Game
very.
of Thrones type of shit.
So even the stat was, if you are actually dating someone,
Abraham lo Sarah.
Lalela, the stat was, if right now if you're dating someone in your own country, Zoana, Manin, Iman. If you're dating someone in your own country of the same ethnicity as you, I think the chances are 1 in 3. I think was it 1 in 3 that you're actually related.
Lehlobana panje abantu
What
abaningi.
is yahlobana zonke?
But anyway,
No fact.
You smash.
theories aside, I'm
Smash a
saying
grape.
is
No,
it a
not
thing?
theories, factual.
Smash
All
and
right.
grapes.
No, but the question was, is it a thing or not? Ukuthi wena uyakwenza awukwenzi.
Bekwazi.
Wafuthi ngani uyabazi mina ngimazi umuntu onjalo to be
Now I've seen
honest.
people who are that.
So
that
so the answer is it's a thing.
it's a thing.
Do you-
Babona abantu abangakwazi udrowa umzila.
Do you know eNamibia kule tribe othiwa Damara? I don't know if I'm saying this correctly.
Amadamara.
Amadama.
If I'm saying this correctly, bona nxa ukhula ukhazini wakho kuthiwa ngushimbure. Twani, I might not be saying, but yet ukhula babe kuthiwa ngushimbure bakho lapho. In their culture, vele practice.
Target practice.
Upractice lapha ngomzala.
Ufundela ipasini.
Live.
Target practice.
Kodwa esindebele nantsho khona ukuthi ungayenzakala khona lokho. Kuyakhitshwa like inkomo yokuquma ubuhlobo.
Asingeshoni khona
I
ucheck
think
out.
I think kuthiwa kuyadependa ngobuhlobana kwenu. If
Get
you're like,
depending, are you guys dipping in the pussy?
like if you guys are directly related, as in ungumntaka malume, abuqumeki ubuhlobo.
Ya, umntaka malume labonto. Avele sikhulumani la, yazi lapha sikhuluma into edayiwela.
But nxa ungumntaka gogo wazalwa lo khulu uzibanibani owatshona hayi.
Phela kulobu hlobo lobene bomtchado obokuyendela.
Yeah,
Obukuthi-
that one you can
Lobegazi.
uma.
So lapha sikhuluma ngobuhlobo begazi.
Obegazi abuqumeki.
Have you
But-
seen that documentary on that inbred family from America?
And then abantwana umgcina uphinde wabuza ukuthi lakhula liganga lena lengabantwana.
Liana manje yi-question ene serious le. Ngoba ematopeni laba.
Hayi amadopeni zezikhala.
Why is le nto ukuthi uyathatha umntana ke ma?
It wasn't the real thing though, right?
I
hope-
you never know.
I hope it wasn't the real thing.
My memory is a little fuzzy, my man.
Yeah. But
I plead the
then
fifth.
I think the tribe that I was with,
So linamadobe lelidlala labo ba.
He's very young.
Look at the
And he says
cooking
that's color. And I'm looking at his age. I'm like, that's Korongani. You said do the best.
Yeah, those ones know what they were doing. What were you doing, you boys?
Bro, yeah, from Nana wena. For that's color, bro. What is
Lina,
when I'm like 5 years ago.
Amatopens yakhala.
Lina sela kule chesa la abantu baleganga ematopeni selibadala.
Unfortunately.
Uyabazi bafoti?
Obviously.
Oh yebo ngamajelanta uphuma lokhu hlala lapho akhulela khona.
You bump into them. You travel, you bump into people.
Wenzani?
You travel,
What kind of vibes? What kind of
Just
vibes
continue,
do
you
you
go.
have?
Just how
I
tired
none of
is
you
that?
bring it up. Look at how far the trauma look here. Then a molestation where
Yeah, that's molestation. It's really like even discussing.
wena sokuchesa la bantu odlala amatope. Oh my god.
Maybe 1 or 2.
But vele
Definitely,
ngikhuluma apha.
awukhulumi.
Vele ngeke ngikhuluma.
How do you bring it up?
Yeah.
But I think
Unless
Most for me it's been more than-
like, dog, come on.
Because this is
Unless
the thing. The moment you want, that's the first thing that will click in your mind.
hayi maybe
And you avoid it.
maybe go Brian.
You avoid it.
Go, it's still fresh for
Yeah,
you.
but sokusiya ukuthi lani
It's still
lesi. Lani
fresh for you.
ungazali every day in Matens.
yiko mina ngathi tonto kufa kho that bed. Because
Mafoti, before we go, you're saying Independence Cup, shuffle my team for the first time in a long time.
In like
Forever.
Oh,
like
for real?
ever.
ushafleni.
Dynamos and Islanders have been snubbed.
So guys, Alan.
Simba, Bora, and
Don't say Scotland.
I think it's Platinum. Which one won the other cup?
Okay.
Something yeah.
I feel like it's really a direction towards into a shop. Because why vele kwakuchona kusibe Islanders benza amacup Independence Defense Force.
But those are the biggest ones. You wanted to pull a crowd.
No, other
Yeah,
than
those
that,
We can do it now with
Yeah,
Platinum.
But hiyo phela into enalesi ikhuluma lo ma40 last week uthi akufuna ukuphunywa ezikhundleni abaphume labo kudlala ama team.
Which
I
is
feel
kumbe
they
kuqualifyelwe
I think they should
kukhethwa
have
ama
had
team 8.
like they should have done something with the top 4 players semi-finals or something. They would have done something.
Yeah, because
You know,
random sampling
so that,
yabo
Or they would have said Matlands, Bulawayo South, Bulawayo Province select, Matlands select, Mat South, or regions select, ama regions are, you know, because it's a unifying thing, it's an independent
yeah.
for everyone.
But yeah, I'm not 100% against them
Yeah.
just changing the teams because sometimes it just becomes so monotonous.
And Highlanders and
Every time
Dynamos was
Mamelodi
actually
did it.
You know, Highland.
And they didn't even
for
qualify for
people
the
for
shit.
abantu abanengqondo ezivolileyo.
esidlala this year.
Kuthiwa kukhethwa
Siziphi ezidlala
Simba
Abafowethu.
Bora lani kahle
Platinum.
asawazi lani. But ungakhangela futhi and how this plays out.
Akulabo
You then realize
independence.
ukuthi it's a good thing that Highlanders and Dynamos are not there because
Comes
every
order
time
there.
now with Highlanders and Dynamos it was always treated as if it's a Shona and Ndebele issue. For ungakhangela indaba yakhona. So it's good that they've been removed for me.
Yeah, that's another thing.
It was played out
Because
that way.
Islanders le Boso in as much as
Islanders le Dynamos.
Islanders le Boso le
Le
Timbare le Dynamos. Yeah, but yeah, those two teams.
Hey, slick safe there, buddy.
So those two teams usually lapha badlala khona cina sokubuya lezi izinto.
Yeah.
Game lena ukuthi imnandi manje ngiqamba.
Imnandi hayi
Imnandi,
rivalry.
but
I don't even care about the football.
It is
They're
about
training.
background. It is
Yeah.
about background. And my back stories angafuna.
Siyahamba kodwa
Iqinile
Scotland.
ezinye izinto.
Siyahamba Scotland.
When?
Anje sidlala next weekend Scotland FC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're pulling up. Yeah. We're pulling
What's
up.
the date?
I'll be
For
there.
5?
Liani Sunday. I know it's
20
that other Sunday.
This
Not
is
this
coming
one.
Sunday, Gulan.
For 20 something.
This coming Sunday is away, but by the time
I think
this
it's 22.
by the time this
Well,
episode
about
comes out,
20, Harry,
it's
what
22?
coming Sunday.
Coming Sunday.
28.
22.
Wait,
No.
wait.
And this weekend, man,
Oh, it's
15,
22.
Yeah, should be 22.
Hey, Magento are also moving
23.
into.
Should be 23.
We're
I
also
should be back
moving
in July by then.
into. We're also moving into April.
Yeah.
I'm a gig ngani foot. We're gonna be outside for a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna be outside.
Because it's singing
You guys are going to be outside?
Yeah, fuck yeah, nigga.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be outside. You see.
Me, I'll be indoors.
But I can feel like Katuana go. We'll see.
When I'm going to see the pussy.
Like I've had enough fun to retire though.
Why can't you
So
tell
many
somebody
stories
pussy there
that's
for
gonna
me?
Sometimes.
Uyabona mkhuze.
Jay, asking point efana nalobani. Yabona resu CR ngombomesi ukuthi kulevel. You can wake up tomorrow and never play again and you won't
You
miss
still be
anything.
okay.
What's this nigga saying here?
You must talk to this
Dog,
guy.
I've rocked out to my shows like
But
a lot, bro. Which I can wake up tomorrow and not go to a show and not
It
feel
don't bother
and not
you.
feel any form or anything.
Yeah.
I've done everything, bro. From general section to backstage to on the stage to whatever, dog. Name it.
Even the toilet. But, yeah.
You know,
I mean, those I'm gonna be working the whole of April, so yeah.
Alright, siyabonga ama-40 will miss you sakubhebhela sikunathele sikumunyele. This has been a great one, yeah?
Yeah, this has been a great one.
Episode.
Catch you on the next one. I'm being mind blown by the number of episodes we've done, dog. I
Right?
can't believe it's 165. Do you know I stopped looking a long time ago? And ngibuze ungabukela episode last week bengihlezi la mbuzo umgcini. This is episode 1. Umgcini othi 164. And then I was like,
I think the first one was like July 2021.
yeah.
that's a long time ago.
That's a long time ago.
We've really been doing this for a long time, dog. People
I've
must
been
really...
waiting for a long time. So,
Am I disappearing?
was now.
I'm not sure. Maybe sometime in May.
Yeah.
Meo Kachana, so
But I'm around.
rest.
I'm sorry, AIDS or meaties.
I'm around.
One time.